Hey guys, happy Friday. Easy Friday afternoon for us, easy weekend plans. We are just filling out a Google form today. It is topic decision day. So you're going to fill out your second Google form for the week. We filled one out on Tuesday, and that one you looked at the 13 topics and you made a decision if you are for it or against it. And this one, you're going to make your final commitment and let me know which topic you plan to research starting next week. So when you click on the Google form, open it up for you really quick. All you have to do is type in your first and last name, pick which one of the 13 topics you plan to research, and in your final question, now tell me your stance or viewpoint on the topic. For example, my topic is school uniforms. My stance is that I am in favor of uniforms, or in other words, I think school uniforms are a lovely idea. You just simply submit it, and that is it. So super duper easy. I'm going to combine this Google form with the one from Tuesday and give you like a participation grade, an assignment, and I'm calling it topic just for participating in the two Google forms for this week. So super easy points. And if you have any questions on how to do that, let me know. On Monday, we're going to head back into Khan Academy and I will make the commas unit test available. Hopefully, you've been working on commas lessons and you'll be ready for your test on Monday. It is not due, however, until December 21st. So I'll give you more information about that on Monday, but just so you kind of know where we're headed. And we'll begin our researching then on Tuesday for this project. It'll take us well into January, so we're not in a hurry, but just ask that you keep up with these little tiny deadlines and it will make the project go much smoother for you. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email and enjoy your weekend. Stay safe. Bye bye.